Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with your weekly updates. So first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone that came out to our Fall Fiesta last night. Really wonderful event supporting a great nonprofit community food share. We raised a lot of money for them, and also just got to say thank you for all of our referral partners and past clients that have supported our business. So thank you so much. Updates for the week. So Monday, pretty quiet news day, not much to talk about there. Tuesday was pretty quiet news day as well as the markets really just kind of awaited election results. And so that was a pretty flat day as well. We did get some information on appreciation through CoreLogic on Tuesday this week. So on a month-over-month basis, appreciation nationwide was up 0.4%. So still really good appreciation and great to see. On a year-over-year basis, appreciation was up 5.6%. So just really consistent, solid appreciation across the board. Wednesday this week, and every Wednesday, we get information from the Mortgage Bankers Association, and they give us feedback on new purchase and refinance applications. So we're really focused on new purchase applications. So on a year-over-year basis, new purchase applications this year compared to this time last year are basically flat right now. And that's still pretty amazing to see. And the headwinds of low inventory and interest rates being 1% higher than where they were last year, still seeing very strong purchase applications. Thursday this week, we had the wrapping up of the Fed meeting. So Federal Reserve left rates unchanged. And that was really widely expected to watch them do that. Next year, I would say we anticipate 3 to 4 rate hikes. So what's interesting is the Federal Reserve is trying to raise rates or kind of build up ammunition so at some point in time when the U.S. economy goes into a recession, they'll have the ability to lower rates and help spur the economy. But really one of the questions is, if the Federal Reserve raises rates so quickly, are they going to be the ones to push us into a recession? So I'm not really sure. We'll have to wait and see. But certainly there's a lot of talk about the Federal Reserve potentially pushing us into a recession faster than we would normally go just from them being so quick to hike rates right now. So we'll have to sit back and see what happens. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any clients that need to get pre-approved, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Happy Friday. Have a great day.